Hey, Paul here from the Western Experience. Have I got a deal for you? We bought hundreds of head stalls and breast collars and cinches and pads, all from Circle Y, and we're going to give you a heck of a deal. We've got head stalls that were originally $150 or more, now $59.99. Breast collars, same deal. Beautiful breast collars, all at $69.99. And harness leather reins, these are nice 7-foot reins, $29.99, light or dark, so lots of bargains. How about a nice little harness working head stall, 20 bucks. Cinches, while they last, these are the soft touch cinches, regular $69, these are now $29. Good sizes in them too, so they're a good deal. And don't forget, saddle pads, we've got a lot of pads at $89. These were originally $150 or more. So come in and see us for our spectacular sale going on now. See us at either one of our locations in Rogers or Lakeville, that's Pleasant Hills, the Western Experience, or visit us online at phsaddle.com.